The day after Labor Day? Really? I haven't even seen any. Well, I haven't been anywhere. Well, you need to shut your trap, pal. I'm getting annoyed. After tomorrow, it's not supposed to hit above 60 for like a week. Gonna go to the orchard. See, that's one thing I'm gonna miss about my hometown is that there's that kind of stuff there. I don't think there's anything like that here. If anyone knows of any like apple orchards in the city of Chicago, let me know. Queen Padme Amidala costumes for kids and adults. Ouch. Okay, I'm watching this girl's TikTok. I really want like chicken to eat with my rice and mayonnaise, but I don't have any chicken. COVID was not fine just because you got the vaccine. I felt like I was going to die. No, oh my god. Can you just like have a normal fucking conversation with me? This is like the worst part because I'm... No, I can't sneeze because I have snot. No, it's so tickly. It tickles so bad, it tickles so bad. Pretty much the only thing that I've eaten, like solid food, that hasn't made me feel like I'm gonna vomit everywhere is chicken nuggets. No sauce.